We begin this week with a clear reminder of what discipline and professional policing looks like. Last Friday, during the Labor Day observance, the Philippine National Police was again tested as to its preparedness. Across the country, 58 rallies were monitored with more than 13,000 participants taking part in various activities. These gatherings were active, visible, and at times challenging, but they were effectively managed. Sa kabuuan, nanatiling maayos at kontrolado ang sitwasyon. There was an isolated incident that led to injuries to some of our personnel. That is something we do not take lightly. But what stands out is how our officers responded with restraint, with composure, and with a firm commitment to keep the peace. Hindi kayo nagpadala sa emosyon, kundi pinili ninyo ang maximum tolerance at professionalismo. And that is the standard we uphold. To those who were on the ground, you have my respect and gratitude. Your actions showed the strength of our organization. What we saw last Labor Day was not just the absence of disorder. It was the result of preparation, coordination, and cooperation between our units, partners, and the public. That is how peace is sustained. Muli, maraming salamat sa inyong sakripisyo.